How resale sites are handling the Mambacita Sweet 16 Nike Kobe 6 release. With the return of Kobe Bryant's signature Nike line comes increased interest in reselling the late legend's sneakers for profit, particularly on platforms such as StockX and GOAT. Since Bryant's passing in January 2020, both demand and prices for Nike Kobes have both skyrocketed, compounded by the shocking split between Nike and Bryant's family estate last June. However, the two parties were able to come back together, announcing that the partnership will continue this past March. This video is sponsored by BrickRadar.io. Their website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day, and will post a message in our cook group once they find a profitable sneaker. This will save you a lot of time doing research yourself. They created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. The first release from the revived partnership is the Mambacita Sweet 16 Kobe 6 Protro, a shoe that pays homage to Kobe and Vanessa Bryant's late daughter Gianna for what would have been her 16th birthday on May 1st. Nike is now beginning the shoe's rollout, which has left some questioning how the leading resale platforms will handle the release. It's important to understand that the market is going to do what it does. Not everyone will get new Kobes, and a lot of people who want the shoes to wear will ultimately be priced out of getting them. StockX and GOAT are not planning to interfere with sales of the Mambacita Sweet 16 Kobe 6, but they each plan on turning the net proceeds made from fees into charitable contributions. Gianna Jiggy Bryant's profound legacy and impact continue to inspire and pave the way for the next generation of athletes around the world, reads a statement from StockX. In her honor, StockX is donating net proceeds from trades of the Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita Sweet 16 sneaker to the Mamba and Mambacita Sports Foundation. On one hand, it's exciting for the community, but on the other, it's something that we have been super mindful of, knowing that some sellers will sell for profit. While we can't dictate seller pricing, we are donating net proceeds from sales of this shoe to organizations providing under-resourced communities with footwear. Nike has already begun releasing the Mambacita Sweet 16 Kobe 6 through its sneakers app for $180. Pairs on StockX have been selling for $700 to $1,300 and are listed between $700 and $1,800 on GOAT. If you want to make more profit reselling sneakers, you can start 7-day free trial at BrickRadar by clicking the link in the description.